everyone tells you the same lie. To scale your agency, you need to hire. Wrong. Hiring doesn't scale your profit. It scales your overhead. More employees mean more meetings, more drama, and more stress. The real secret to 2026: don't build a team, build a system. I spent years in the hiring trap, managing a team of 6 just to keep my head above water. Then I flipped the script. By replacing manual roles with autonomous AI agents and Make.com workflows, I cut my overhead to near zero while doubling my output. I'm not talking about a few ChatGPT prompts. I'm talking about an autonomous engine. In this video, I'm giving you the exact blueprint for a zero-employee agency. We're going from lead generation to client fulfillment, completely automated. Using OpenAI and Make.com, I'll show you how to build a business that works while you sleep, without a single payroll check. Let's dive in. You've heard the standard advice. Scale your agency by hiring a team. Sounds great, right? You hire a VA to handle the admin, then a project manager to handle the VA, then a specialist to handle the work. But then the reality hits. You realize you aren't a CEO anymore. You're a professional babysitter. Instead of focusing on high-level strategy, you're spending 6 hours a day in meetings, fixing basic mistakes, chasing deadlines, explaining the same SOP for the 5th time. And let's talk about the math. The payroll is a monster. Every new hire increases your overhead and kills your margins. Now, you can't afford to take a weekend off because the moment you stop pushing, the machine stops moving. You didn't actually build a scalable business. You just built a high-stress job where you're the only one who truly cares about the quality. This is the employee trap. The irony is that the more you scale with people, the less freedom you actually have. You're trading your time for the privilege of managing other people's time. It's a cycle of burnout that most agency owners just accept as the cost of doing business. But that's a lie. You don't need more people. You need better systems. Stop thinking about headcounts. Start thinking about workflows. The goal isn't to manage people. It's to manage systems. Welcome to the Zero Employee Agency. This is a business where your staff are autonomous AI agents connected by a central nervous system. To build this, you only need 3 things: OpenAI for the brain, Make.com for the nervous system, and a few niche APIs for the hands. Let's build your automation stack. Step 1, the lead machine. Most agency owners waste hours manually prospecting. Stop that. Use a tool like Apollo or Phantom Buster to scrape your target leads. But don't just blast them with templates. That's how you get marked as spam. Instead, route that data into Make.com. Trigger an OpenAI module to visit the lead's website, analyze their current pain points, and write a hyper-personalized opening line. The AI doesn't just write, it researches. Your lead feels seen. Your conversion rate spikes. You didn't hire a BDR. You built one. Step 2, the automated closer. Now the leads are coming in. You don't need a sales rep to qualify them. Set up a typeform or tally form. When a lead submits, Make.com sends the data to GPT-4o. The AI scores the lead based on your ideal client profile. If they're a fit, the AI automatically sends a cal.com link to book a call. If they aren't, it sends a polite, not a fit, email with a helpful resource. You only wake up to qualified appointments on your calendar. Zero manual filtering. Step 3, the fulfillment factory. This is where most agencies break. This is where you usually hire a project manager. Instead, use a modular fulfillment system. When a client pays via Stripe, Make.com triggers the onboarding. It creates a Slack channel, a Google Drive folder, and a Notion project board automatically. For the actual work, whether it's copywriting, ad creative, or reporting, use Claude 3.5 for high reasoning tasks. Feed the client's onboarding data into a series of AI prompts. The AI produces the first 80% of the work. You, the owner, spend 15 minutes polishing the final 20%. You've just replaced a project manager, a junior strategist, and an admin assistant with a single workflow. This is how you scale without the stress. You aren't building a team. You're building a machine. Now to build this, you need the right stack. I use Make.com to glue everything together and OpenAI for the actual brainpower. If you want to skip the learning curve, I've put my custom templates in the description. Use the links below to get started with Make.com and OpenAI today. The results: I've replaced 3 full-time roles with these automated workflows. No payroll taxes, no management meetings, just pure profit and a system that works while I sleep. Stop building a job for yourself by hiring people. Start building an asset by leveraging AI. If you're ready to scale without the stress, hit that subscribe button and dive into the links below. Let's build your zero-employee agency.